Beginning operations in the 1960s, HK Bussar is a seasoned and well-experienced bus company, especially in the tourist industry. Whether it's picking up a large group at the airport or ferry and simply taking them to their hotel, or facilitating sightseeing to the museums and landmarks around the country, or comfortably transporting a local hiking club to a trailhead for a bit of trekking in the mountains, or bringing enthusiastic fans to concerts or festivals, HK Bussar is dedicated to providing the best, safest, and most courteous service possible. The goal of HK Bussar is simple and direct. They have no desire to become the largest bus company in the Faroes. Their goal is simply to provide the best service. As a result, they are well known for taking on the most difficult and highly demanding transport challenges, where only the best, safest, first-class service is expected, such as providing transport to the Danish royal site of Her Majesty's yacht, Dannebrog. Because the company operates buses of varying capacity and size, HK Bussar can go just about anywhere, both in the Faroes and abroad. No group is too small nor too big. HK Bussar has taken tour groups all over Scandinavia, as well as many countries in Europe. To learn more about HK Bussar and their first-class service, link to their website, www.hk.fo.